There is a war happening, not with bombs, not with airstrike, but in silence. A war of strategy, survival, betrayal. India and Pakistan are already fighting, but not the way the world expects. At the line of control, every movement matters. Every footstep is calculated. A ceasefire exists, but it's only skin deep. The real battle happens off the battlefield. In war rooms, in cyber commands, and in cold diplomatic halls. India is not looking for open war. Its strength lies in silence, in satellites, cyber warfare, and economic pressure. New missiles, new alliances, new strategies. No flags raised, no speeches made. Just relentless preparation for a war it may never have to fight. Pakistan faces a war inside its own borders. A broken economy. A government too divided to act. Public anger boiling over. Inflation, blackouts, shortages. Each crisis weaker than the last. But each one cutting deeper than any missile. In Afghanistan, Pakistan played a dangerous game. Supporting the Taliban, believing they could control the chaos. But now, the chaos has spilled over. And Pakistan finds itself isolated. Trapped by its own ambitions. The next war isn't for land. It's for water. India controls the rivers that feed Pakistan's lifeblood. And quietly, it builds dams. Controls flow. Tightens the noose. Without water, a nation withers. Without a single bullet fired. As the foundations crack, the elites flee. Generals, politicians, businessmen. Loading gold and dollars onto jets bound for Dubai, London, New York. The protectors of the nation. Abandoning it. When the powerful run, who is left to defend the powerless? A flag falls slowly. Not with battle cries, but with silence. China watches from the sidelines. Entangled in its own fights with America. Distracted by internal troubles. Knowing that an unstable Pakistan threatens its dreams too. But this time, Beijing may be too late to act. While Pakistan burns slowly, the world looks elsewhere. Headlines speak of other wars, other struggles. A nation collapses in the shadows, with no help, no rescue, no witnesses. Collapse rarely comes like an earthquake. It comes like rot, quiet, slow, unstoppable. Broken promises, empty coffers, lost hope. A nation hollowed from within. In the end, India didn't have to invade. It didn't have to fire the first shot. It just had to wait. Sometimes the strongest strategy is to do nothing but prepare, and let your enemy destroy itself. Nations don't always fall in war. Sometimes they surrender in silence.